Hi everyone, welcome to the second maths lesson of the week, and this lesson is all about finding the inverse. Now inverse is quite a strange word to use, but it just means swapping things around. So let me explain. The inverse of addition is subtraction, and the inverse of multiplication is division. So once you know your multiplication facts, it's quite easy to work out your division facts because you already know the answers. Let me explain. Okay, I've written some things on my board here. So if I've got 3 times 2 equals 6, I know that, look, 3 groups of 2, I can just swap them over. So 6 comes at the front, 6 shared by 2 equals 3, and I can check it out there. I've got my 2 people and they've got 3 things each. There's another one. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 groups of 5 is 10. So I can swap it over. Division. 10 shared by 5 equals 2, or 10 shared by 2 equals 5. So finding the inverse is literally swapping the numbers over. Quite easy. Okay, here's another one to show you. 4 groups of 3 or 12. 12 shared by 3 equals 4. And 12 shared by 4 equals 3. So all I've done is use these numbers here, and I've put them at biggest number first and done my divisions. Okay, just let you look at that for a moment. Okay, so finding the inverse is literally just swapping the numbers around. Right, I've got some things to show you here. These are things we're going to do today. Now, first of all, if you watch this YouTube clip here, this will give you some ideas and a clearer explanation of what the inverse actually is. And then you've got some things to do. If everyone can have a go with the first thing here, it's called inverse and division. Then have a try of the other things. They get progressively harder. Okay, these are the names of the things that are in the learning folder. Okay, so watch the YouTube clip first and then have a go of the first sheet. I'm going to show you the first sheet now. So the first sheet looks like this, which I'm going to show you now. This is the, oh, it's gone a little bit small, never mind. This is the first sheet, there we go. So if you have a look at all these multiplications, the answers are already there. You haven't even got to work out the answers. Look, the answers are there. And in this space here, where there's a spare space, this is where you put your division. So here I've got 4 times 6 equals 24. So if I get my board and I can show you the first one. So I've got 4 times 6 equals 24. Okay, are we ready? So I've already got 4 times 6 equals 24. I've already got that there. So in the box next to it, I'm going to start with the number 24 shared by 6 equals 4. All I've done is use the numbers that I've already been given. Can you see that? So the first one is already done for you there. So that's your first sheet, and everybody can have a go of this one because all the answers are there. So it makes it quite straightforward. Okay. And then the second sheet I'd like you to have a look at. I'll just check on my instructions. The second sheet is called Inverse Wizard. Inverse Wizard. So let me show you that one now. Okay, this is Inverse Wizard. Here it is. And what it's giving you the numbers. So this is question 1, 8, 5 and 40. Well, I know 8 times 5 is 40. So that's the first thing I would write down in my maths book. And then I'll do the inverse. 40 shared by 5 equals 8. So I'm just working backwards, doing my biggest number first. Okay, that's the next thing I would like you to do. All right, then if you get time, let's see what's next. Okay, if you get time, have a look at this question here. Let me show you. This is if you get time. So here the answers aren't given for you. So you've got 6 multiplied by 5 equals, and you've got to work out the answer. So this means 6 groups of 5 equals. This is a little bit harder. Then you've got to find the inverse, go up to here, and you write the inverse in this box. Okay, just where I'm pointing to with my mouse, if you can see that. Okay, is that okay with everyone? And then if you're feeling really, really confident, there's a really hard sheet for you to try. Okay, I don't think I've put that up on the screen. But if you're feeling really, really confident, have a go of doing the really hard one as well. Okay, don't worry if you can't do it. Do the first one first. All right, have good fun. Send your teacher any work that you would like to. And I shall see you again tomorrow. Okay, bye everyone. Bye.